is Lorena Castro. So today I'm going to be doing this lovely hairstyle that it took me literally 5 minutes. Don't miss any step. We need is an elastic band, simple as that, and few bobby pins if you have a curler. So we're gonna start doing that. We're gonna grab the front kind of area of our hair, just kind of like this. It doesn't need to be perfect, but just kind of like showing you guys just the front. We're gonna save the top in a clip. So like I said, we need an elastic band. I have this one, which it's okay. It's not super strong, but I think I'm gonna go with this one. There's a little bit stronger. So with the hook you can make it tighter, the elastic band. So we have to make like a quite high ponytail, just kind of on the top of our head. I quite like this hairstyle. We don't really need brushes, so our hands is like our brush. Okay, so here you go. We have the ponytail on the place we want, so just right here. Great. I hope you can see me good. And let's put the elastic band. You just put one hook in one side and you turn all around. Make it quite tight. Perfect. Whew. Ouch! This is hot, baby. So let's start. Let's make some random curls. Whip. Random curls. 1, 2, 3. Another one. Making the curls is like, yes, some random curls, and you end up making it all of them with a curler. This is so addictive, okay? Because how beautiful is this compared to this? So of course I want all of them curly, but it's fine. Sometimes what I do, I grab kind of a big section, so you don't need to do too many. And you kind of want more towards the ends than the roots, so yeah, this is just like, how beautiful. Yeah. One day my curls are gonna be as nice. I mean, if I keep doing this, probably not, but one day. If you guys are enjoying the video, just keep watching and like the video and subscribe, of course. Okay, yeah, I just finished doing the curls. So the front, what I do, usually I just put the curler down and just curl the hair. Yeah, so for example, my hair is always parting in the middle. What I need to do is grab hairs from the side and to the other side to make one curl. Otherwise, if you just do this side and after this side, after if you want to make them all together, it's gonna be harder. So yeah, let's grab some hair from both sides. And we want the curls from the front pretty tight, because you have to see what we're gonna do. So let's do this. Also, when I was finishing doing the curls on the back, I put some lip gloss. Yeah. And after we can take some hair from the side and just do that as well. Okay, I'm gonna finish doing the curls in the front, and I will be right back in 1 second. I finished doing the curls from the front. Right now it looks too perfect and not very natural. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna open all the curls. Just like that. Just literally opening them. Let's do this. Bobby pin. We just grab a little bit, so we will put the bobby pin into the hair and to the hair that is on the ponytail. And secure it. Ding! And another one. Just the same. Sometimes you can just bring it up and then put the pin, the bobby pin. Okay. Sometimes if you feel it's hanging way too much, you can just bring it out like I said, and then bobby pin. Okay, so more or less the bag is what I like. This fringe obviously for my face is too long, I cannot see it all. You can just pin the hair backwards and then you will have this shorter hair on your forehead. 1, 2. We just tease the hair a little bit with our fingers. Yeah, you see how good looks this hair? So easy. We just did a ponytail and just a curling one and just curl the hair and just put some bobby pins and ta-da! Done! Yeah, I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.